So I was just giving this Acer a little bit of a shape up, and thought, look what that is. So just do a zoom in to show you, if I can get closer. You can see that, you know, I actually was considering getting rid of that lower branch, but it's covered in beetles, what they call instars, which is a sort of juvenile stage of a beetle. So very glad that I didn't do that. That's another reason I don't do the infamous Chelsea chop, because you are destroying lots of insects and butterfly eggs and other eggs, all, you know, when they're active and stuff. So there's some things over here, for example, at the front, fairly tatty. Could do with probably a cutback, but you know, no plans to, purely because there's still action going on, and all the time that that's happening, or there's eggs, bees. Yeah, I did head. So for example, with the Centurion Montana, you know, take that one off, keep things flowering. But long since finished doing the Chelsea chop because of the damage it causes to things that have been laid. Anyway, that was it. This is just at the front where it's very, very hot. It's like a nectar bed, really. Anyway, that was all about looking after insects. Bye.